Hi there. I'm going to make the June 24th video now, a bit late, but it will be a short one. So, I'm using this kanban AI harness application all the time. That's the one that you see on the screen. Uh, so I thought, what wouldn't it be good to dockerize that as well and put it on a computer where I can reach it from the internet. So let's go to the Kanban app development window, which I have here. Dockerize this app. So I can start it as. So it's the right window here, the purple one. Maybe I should have a bit larger font for you. If you're curious, the left black card is actually the weather forecast trainer, which I've been working on for a few days. I'm adding other weather measurement sources. Uh, right now, it's trying to register. I'm going through a registering process, where you get a confirmation mail, and I think it will try to read it from my mailbox automatically. Or maybe it's already done that. I'm just adding the new format of that new weather station. It's a weather station that's closer to the golf course, and it's driven by the Swedish traffic agency. It's sort of, no, I'll let it be. Okay. Of course, it will be a very big Docker container. I have to think about this. Should the Claudes and codecs and tmux run inside the container? Or will the container start the tmux? No, I think the tmux should be running in a reverse SSH socket. Well, let's say chat about this. I think. See, least portable, of course it is. Hmm. So I'm asking about Docker stacks being dynamically extensible with new copies of images. Perhaps this is actually a thing that where Kubernetes would have been better. Actually, something interesting happened in the other session here. It wants me to manually do this because it guards non-interactive sessions. Well, I don't think it has tried hard enough. Okay, it's very doable, he says. Back to the dockerization of the Kanban app. Dynamic containers. You write that Docker Compose stack is static. Yes. The Kanban backend becomes the order. That is interesting. Okay. It's a re-architecture, not just packaging. But it is so interesting that I might want to start it today and do other prompts like later. So I want a container precision. If it's not a problem with hundreds container. I just saw that the other thing going on here, the registration at Trafikverket, the traffic agency, I asked it to register me, and it actually used the mail address form that I usually do with such things. It used my Niklas plus sub-addressing. So Niklas plus Trafikverket at atle.se. That was interesting. Claude knows so much about my habits. So back to the dockerization. Yeah, of course, I don't need hundreds of containers since the state is kept on the file system. Oh, doing this, I need to have ultra code, of course. And I'm not on ultra code here either. Need to fix that. Okay, account created. The activation email is still in transit. So it reads my mailbox. Check where when it comes from Trafikverket. That's cool. So what did I ask? Docker attach? Yes. Docker attached. He actually goes on to check spams. Sorry for the distraction here, but I think it's interesting. But he fails to find my mailboxes. Hmm. Yeah, I think I will stop when this is researched. It's doing research here. So it checks the Rust crate Bollard, which is a Docker API crate. The only that is left is running Claude and Codex in containers. research how to run both the clone and yeah, and it's actually almost done here. Okay. Well, actually, it is done. So, rich findings. It says, how do I stand on my usage? Oh, I haven't used much at all, and it's just a day left. I should start a heavy project. I think what the next big project I want to do is after the OpenBSD VMM SMP work in that land, I would like to be able to sort of bind mount file systems into VMM guests. That's a rather open-ended thing. I mean, OpenBSD removed loop mounts years ago, decade ago or so, or more. So how would we do it in VMM? It gets to be a high level VM exit. Yeah, that's an intrusive thing that I won't get past the OpenBSD team, but it would be useful for me. Yeah, so a subscription token to a so I will write some specification there and then we stop. Speaking about OpenBSD MCP, no, OpenBSD VMM. Right, actually, okay, Trafikverket didn't support plus alias addressing. Yeah, it has written a plan, actually. Uh, before we go ahead, make an HTML version like a view in its. So let's see if we can see the plan. Oops. Or ah, that was the problem. Ah, here's the specification. Oh no. So it has made a design. Looks great. Security. Yeah. This looks very good. I think we're done there for today. Remove that. You don't need to see the actual implementation here, so I will start that and then I will shut down the video. And maybe next video will show how it goes. Bye bye.